Hello, my name is Josh, and we're going to find the variance. You're going to want to start by writing down the formula for calculating variance. The formula for measuring an unbiased estimate of the population variance from a fixed sample of n observations is the following. Here's what the part of the formula for calculating variance mean. Variance. Summation, which means the sum of every term in the equation after the summation sign. Sample observation. This represents every term in the set. The mean. This represents the average of all the numbers in the set. The sample size. You can think of this as the number of terms in the set. Now you're going to want to calculate the sum of the terms. First, create a chart that has a column of observational terms, the mean subtracted from the terms, and the square of these terms. After you've made the chart and placed all of the terms in the first column, simply add up all the numbers in the set. Let's say you're working with the following numbers. Just add them up, and you get a sum of 84. Now you're going to want to calculate the means of the terms. To find the mean of any set of terms, simply add up the terms and divide the result by the number of terms. In this case, you already know that the sum of the terms is 84. Since there are 6 terms, just divide 84 by 6 to find the mean. 84 divided by 6 is 14. Write 14 all the way down the column for the mean. Next, subtract the mean from each term. To fill the third column, simply take each term for the simple observations and subtract it from 14, the sample mean. You can check your work by adding up all of the results and confirming that they add up to 0. Here's how to subtract each sample observation from the average. 17 minus 14 is 3. 15. Now what you will do is square each result. Now that you've subtracted the average from each sample observation, simply square each result and write the answer in the fourth column. Remember that all of your results will be positive. You will now calculate the sum of the squared terms. Now simply add up all of the new terms. 9 plus 1 plus 81 plus 49 plus 25 plus 1 will give you a sum of 166. Substitute the values into the original equation. Just plug in the values into the original equation, remembering that n represents the number of data points. Your equation will look like this. The variance is equal to 166 over 6 minus 1. Now you will solve the equation. Simply divide 166 by 5. The result is 33.2. If you'd like to find the standard deviation, simply find the square root of 33.2. This is equal to 5.76. Now you can interpret this data in a larger context. Usually, the variance between two sets of data are compared and the lower number indicates less variation within that data set.